Chapter number 9 is report writing. These are the characteristics of a good report. Report is an account of a particular event, issue, and subject given especially in the form of an official document after thorough investigation or consideration by an appointed person or body. It is written for a defined purpose and for a specific audience. Information and evidence is presented objectively and in a clear and concise manner. There are three main types of reports: newspaper report, magazine report, and official reports for various organizations. This is the format of writing a newspaper report. Newspaper reports are accounts of current events and happenings. They start with a title or headline. Then the name of the author is mentioned, followed by the place and date, and finally the body of the report or the content. Next is the magazine report. Magazine reports are written to give account of a specific event that has taken place, for example, India International Fashion Week or a school annual day, etc. Here again, the report starts with title or heading, followed by the name of the author, and finally it is the main body of the report. And finally, we have formal official reports. These are complex documents, often of important projects and proposals. For example, results of studies and experiments, proposals for launching a new product, etc. This is the format of writing an official report. The first page is the title page, and the title page should include the name of the person report is being submitted to. Next, you have to mention the name and the department who is submitting the report. So on the title page, we'll write the name of the person to whom the report is to be submitted, followed by the name of the person or department who is submitting that report. Then will come the date of submission. Then the acknowledgements, a list of people and